Hola amigos, today I'm here at Lirios Condominiums. This condo complex is located up the hill in Cinco de Diciembre, and today we're going to look at a 6th floor penthouse, number 11. And it's beautiful finishes. It's listed at 689 and it has its own private rooftop area with a plunge pool and the most amazing views of the bay and the downtown area of Puerto Vallarta. This condo is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. It's about 2,667 square feet. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a 2-story penthouse condo with its own private terrace. It's about a 1,600 square foot terrace. So let's go take a look at this condo. If you like this video, please make a comment below, like our video below, and please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Come with me and let's take a walk through this terrific condo. I hope you enjoyed our video today. And don't forget, if you're thinking about moving to Puerto Vallarta, whether that's in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, please feel free to contact me by phone, email, or text, and I'd be glad to help you make that smooth move to Puerto Vallarta. Until next time, hasta luego.